Dong, kaunsa man ka dong?
Muha lagi tagbakbak ani.
Woo! Naman.
Manudan.
Manay sudan sa inyo adong?
Ni mati. Kasi tinapa wa na.
Turot na yun.
Na. Tisapi yung kapamayot.
Oh my God.
Ano man din mo mabayot day?
Turot na. Ang AIDS.
Ara gani kay wa ka maapil.
Oh. Self defense man. Ano gubalon.
Mayo kanay balon.
Palit sa 7-Eleven. Ang Zisra.
Unsa din yung gibuhat boards?
Ha?
Unsa yung gibuhat?
Patyon ko mabayot. Bayot ng bakbak.
Palwa ni guys kay patay pangbangag ang kutsilyo.
Saan yung mga boards?
Pangbangag na guys mga bayot ni patpat. Tabangan natin. Ayo.
Ikaw para magasupa word.
Magasupa.
Dali mo makmak guys. Damig bakbak guys. Banting ni guys.
Relax mo na, tapang magkauman to. Saboy bakar mah.
Hours later.
Guys, bakbak guys. Awan, Zaira.
Guys. Bakbak na ni guys. Ano?
Always ready kayo ba guys? Always ready. Lagi ba? Di na dakpang gol. Silapi oh. Tulo kol. Tulo gayang. Pero na. Sa wakas. Guys.
Ulam na. May bakyaw guys. May bakyaw. Shout out may bakyaw. May bakyaw guys, may bakyaw. Amay kano may bakyaw. Tawag.
Para sa'yo ang laban na to.
Agi ba, bye may bakyaw. Bye. Guys. Ano yung may bakyaw na tirada guys. Ano guys? Okay, kaya mo may bakyaw.
Enough of them I run up the mouth. Enough of them I say them are the best. But when it comes to the test, I know them I want this. Whoa. Take a seat and then you take a rest. I leave it to the people to suggest who are the best, who are the best in a this year contest. No for them I chat up the mouth. I have to sing and shout, cause it's the words from my mouth that spread east, west, north and south.
Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ng pusong ligaw. Ikaw ang patutunguhan.
This Johnny Big Mouth always run up the mouth and don't know what he's talking about. Oh yeah. Whoa oh oh, whoa oh oh, oh oh oh, whoa oh oh, oh oh oh, whoa oh oh, whoa oh oh, whoa oh, oh oh oh, whoa 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 oh oh. No for them I run up the mouth. No for them I say them are the best. But when it comes to the test, I know them I want this. Whoa oh. Take a seat and then you take a rest. I leave it to the people to suggest.